Welcome to Fit Indian channel. Today I want to talk about mudras for pranayama and meditation. I'm Mansa Machani, RYT certified yoga instructor and also yoga therapist. When you do any kind of pranayama and meditation, mudras play a very important role to get the focus and also to be in the practice. The first one I'm going to show you is the Chin Mudra. You take the tip of the index finger and the thumb. This is the Chin Mudra. This is very relaxing and it connects to the third eye. You take the Chin Mudra and place it on the knees, keeping all the fingers relaxed down. This is the Chin Mudra to do any kind of breathing, pranayama or meditation. Chin Mudra. The benefits of this mudra: increases memory power, sharpens the brain, relieves stress and tension, reduces joint pains, prevents insomnia. The second one is the Chinmaya Mudra. You take the four index finger and the thumb, and all other fingers are fixed into the palms inside, and you're going to stay here. Chinmaya Mudra. The fingers are folded and the index and the thumb is contacting to each other. Chinmaya Mudra. Keeping the palms a little back on your thighs. You can do this in Sukhasana or Vajrasana, both are comfortable. Your elbows are not out but relaxed, your shoulders down. Just a little touch. Chinmaya Mudra. Benefits of this mudra: promotes oxygenation to the entire body, relieves stress and anxiety, helps to calm the mind, improves digestion and reduces bloating, promotes weight loss. The third mudra is doing the Adi Mudra. You take the thumb to the edge of the last of the little finger and you make a fist of all the fingers. You make a fist and sit into Adi Mudra. This is the Adi Mudra. You relax, not stretching your palms out but folded with your elbows slightly bent, and you sit into Adi Mudra. Adi Mudra. Benefits of this mudra: increases the capacity of the lungs, calms the nervous system, helps to reduce snoring, balances the energy points or the chakras, improves oxygenation flow to the brain. This is the third one. The next one is Brahma Mudra. The same way, the top of the thumb comes to the little of the index finger inside, and you make a fist of all that, and all your knuckles should contact and keep the palms below the navel area. The knuckles all come in contact. Your elbows are not out but elbows are back, and you keep the knuckles, keeping the thumb, the tip of the tongue to the edge of the little finger, and make a fist and stay there. Sit into Adi Mudra. This is the Brahma Mudra. Brahma Mudra. Benefits of this mudra: releases negative energy and thoughts, allows flow of prana, that is the energy of life force throughout the body, boosts your energy and improves focus at work, stimulates the digestive system, detoxifies the body. The fifth one is Nasika Mudra. Fold the index and the middle finger to the center of the palm and use the right palm to do the Nasika Mudra, and use the right thumb to block the right nostril, and you use the ring and the little fingers for breathing into Anulom Vilom Pranayama, which is used the Nasika Mudra. You inhale on the left and you take the ring finger to close the left nostril, and you open the thumb and you breathe in through the right nostril. And you repeat the breathing in Nasika Mudra.
Nasika Mudra. Benefits of this mudra. This mudra is used in the Anulom Vilom Pranayama, stimulates specific nadis or channels in your system. The aim is to have a balanced breathing between the two nostrils, helps in balancing the hormones, helps in healing the sensory organs.
These are the 5 mudras that have been used for pranayama and meditation. I hope you like this video and thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please also check all the other yoga videos and workout videos that we have and keep enjoying the different workouts that we bring along. Take care and namaste.